Experience, highlight of the trip. Excellent hotel in an amazing location. When we showed up to check-in, there was a mistake in my booking, and we had booked a month ahead in error. The check-in host found us a room, regardless of my mistake, and he was even courteous enough to suggest that the mistake was not mine, even though we both knew it was. To sum it up, our trip could have taken a turn for the worst at this point, but they went out of their way to accommodate us and make us feel welcome. Just a beautiful spot to be. There's so much in this art to see and do. It is the perfect base camp for all of the activities in the area. In addition to everything else, the food in the bar/restaurant was absolutely delicious. I wish we would have stayed longer. My compliments to the staff. Don't miss the mussels. This place was awesome, wished we stayed more than a day. The rooms were spacious and luxury. The restaurant was awesome. The quantity and quality of the mussels dish was unbelievable. Best one I ever had anywhere into the day visit. Great views and location. Most definitely recommend. Exceptional. We had an absolutely wonderful safe visit to Leenane Hotel. All COVID precautions were strictly enforced, with separate entry and exit routes to the bedrooms. The food was exceptional. Beautiful meals, all served piping hot, top class. So relaxing. Loved our stay. Food excellent. Staff so welcoming. Lovely warm atmosphere in the hotel. Location and view stunning.